Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our market wrap-up for this evening. It is Wednesday, September 10th, 2008. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Well, a little shout-out tonight. I'm down visiting some of our swimmers and investors in Atlanta. So, little Ray Charles. Some Georgia on my mind. Because it's certainly on mine tonight, because that's where I'm spending the evening. But anyway, let's talk about the market today. Kind of a topsy-turvy day. This morning, when you woke up, you might have saw the Dow futures up well over 100 points. S&P's up big. We looked like we were going to have a very, very big day in the early morning as Lehman came out with some positive news. But as the day went along, it didn't look so positive. We see a day where Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 38 points, but I'd call it almost a disappointing 38 points. On the Dow today, we had 13 advancers, 17 decliners. Our big winner on the day, our friends over at General Motors. Our big loser on the day for the second day in a row, AIG, down another 4 3/4% today, down to 17.5. Obviously, a lot of concerns with American International Group. All right, let's talk about some of the other things. We just touched on Lehman. Well, we talked a lot about Lehman last night in our report. How can you not talk about it? The interesting thing to see, front month volatility down 110%. Stock down 50 cents. Puts down. How often do you see a situation like that where you see the stock down and the puts down? The reason being volatility getting crushed. So that's very, very interesting. We see the at the money 7.5 put down 28 cents. The 5 put down 29 cents. The 5 call down $1.18. This is the kind of thing that happens when volatility gets absolutely smacked, and that's what happened today. All right, we see the S&P 500 futures back down to a level of just over 1234. So there's some interesting trade going on here. We talked a lot about these levels and things like that. 1218 is going to be maybe a stopgap, and then it's 1202 or 1200 right in that area. So be careful if we continue on this sell-off. VIX is down very convincingly today, 95 cents down to a level of 24.5. Let's look forward to September 11th. Say a little prayer maybe tomorrow for all those people involved. But looking at the day tomorrow, jobless claims going to set the tone for the day. Obviously, with what's going on in Lehman, we know that that's going to be a place to be trading. So keep an eye on those jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow morning. All right. Other than that, we got nothing. All right. I hope you all had a great day. As always, good health, good trading. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Have a great evening, everybody. Thanks for joining us.